Hi, it's me again, your Southeast Asian flyer, and right now we're at Taipei main station for the Taoyuan Airport MRT. So they have an in-town check-in for your flight for select airlines, which I will be showing you now on screen. And I think it's so convenient that we don't have to get to the airport to be able to do the check-in. So let's do it now. So I'm flying with China Airlines, and it's among the airlines that can do in-town check-in here. So select China Airlines. So English. I don't have any of those. I don't have any of those either. Don't have any of those either. So there are a lot of options to get your booking. So you have the booking reference number, e-ticket number, frequent flyer, passport, boarding pass barcode. So for me to make it easy, I already have my passport. Let's try that. So I'm gonna select passport. Okay, so we're gonna scan it there. And now remove your document. So add passengers. No, I don't need that. To check in, please swipe your passport. So I have to do it again in this area here. Swiping passport. Now remove your document to continue the check-in process. The passport you scan does not match any passenger. Please see an agent with your passport. Please swipe your passport. So let's try with my booking reference number. So enter the last name first, then the booking reference number, then continue. Now it's asking me to swipe my passport to check in. So you put your passport in this part here. Okay, now remove the document. Okay, I'm having some trouble. The passport you scanned does not match any passenger. Please see an agent with your passport to check in. Okay, so I cannot do the check-in in that kiosk at step 1. So maybe some of you will have that problem as well. I did online check-in yesterday and I already have an e-boarding pass. So I asked one of the staff here and she said we can go straight to the next step. So let's see if that works. If not, I'm gonna be checking in at the airport. So we're entering now. That is step 2. Please follow baggage check-in regulations. My e-boarding pass is here.
A few moments later.
So the staff checked my passport and my e-boarding pass. He said go straight to step 3, bag drop. So this is the self-bag drop counter now. He said put the luggage first. Here, so it has to be put this way. So I'm going to be changing my language first, English. So it says please confirm the baggage passes inspection from the X-ray machine. Okay. So please scan boarding pass. Searching reservation. It's the same instructions as earlier. Weight of bag. Okay, yes. So the bag label is being printed now. Okay, so the staff is helping me put the luggage tag. See, is the bag label attached? Yes. Oh, it's closing now. And they're taking my bag. So please take the claim tag to confirm that the baggage passes inspection from X-ray machine. So this one, I have my claim tag already. And it's opening again, it should be done. Okay, so I did not see my bag pass through the monitor. There's a way to check if your bag passed X-ray scan. So here, there's this machine, and just scan your claim tag. Okay, pass security check. So that's good. Okay, so that's it for the in-town check-in here at Taipei Main Station. See, I don't have any big luggage anymore to carry with me on the train to Taoyuan International Airport. So thank you for watching this video. I hope there's no problems and I see my bag back in Manila. That's it. See you again in the next one. Bye.